With that, we come to the special address by Mr. Harsh Goenka, Chairman, RPG Enterprises. We've all come to look forward to Mr. Goenka's tweets for all the positivity and inspiration they bring to us. Here's a special address by Mr. Goenka.
Honorable Chief Minister and esteemed guests, it is my honor and privilege to be with this august congregation today for the State of the State Awards presented by India Today and the RPG Group. Over the last 2 years, while the pandemic has consumed our daily lives, businesses, and our conversations, it has also been an extraordinary year for the scientific community and for the humanity in general. The immense challenges of developing, manufacturing, and supplying vaccines not only within the country but to the world was overcome admirably by our scientific and healthcare establishments. We as a nation have also accomplished major milestones in vaccinating our citizens. Our grit and determination to emerge from the darkness and lend a helping hand to those around us will be stories we will be sharing with the future generations. The collective efforts of 1 billion people, led by able leaders in the center and in the states, to put people first, strengthen the economy, and place development on the fast track are significantly noteworthy. As India embarks on a challenging journey of development on a holistic scale, the need to assess and evaluate the socio-economic condition of our states becomes critical. Over the years, the State of the States study has played the role of a steady catalyst and a key enabler to help our policymakers and stakeholders identify the potential and also the pitfalls. I must congratulate the team at India Today for having ensured that this exercise remains a very credible benchmark on the performance of Indian states for nearly 2 decades. Social welfare and economic progress lead to a state of improved mental and physical well-being, which in turn promotes a general sense of happiness in people. At RPG Group, happiness is not just an emotion, but a promise that we endeavor to deliver to our stakeholders through our actions, be it our employees, our investors, our clients, and society in general. RPG's brand promise of happiness wonderfully aligns with the values of the India Today Group, and it is with this belief that we have joined hands with India Today to launch the India Today RPG Happiness Quest. It is an initiative that will seek out and identify and honor exemplary citizens for their efforts in furthering the cause of happiness. When we spoke with India Today on introducing the concept of Happiness Index in the year's State of the States Awards as part of a joint initiative, it found instant resonance. The Happiness Index essentially captures the score of each of our 29 states and 7 union territories on the happiness scale. This marking will further our agenda of improving the quality of personal and professional lives and elevating India in the global rankings. We are hopeful that this will also trigger a healthy competition between states that could have far-reaching implications on governance and on development. India is a land of abundant opportunities. The march of progress has been visible across all states in the past decades on key parameters like road and infrastructure, adoption and technology in governance, e-commerce, and social initiatives for the poor. The demographics alone speak volumes. We have an ever-expanding young workforce. Our large and technically skilled labor force lends us to a unique competitive advantage. When one researches the historical performances of Indian businesses, the pervasive entrepreneurial spirit comes to the fore. Industry would be keen to invest in a state with a healthy mix of all these key indicators. Political leadership and drive at the state level has become far more astute, and we can see a spirit of competitiveness between states in reaching out and attractive investments. We see an increased urge to adopt advanced technology and intelligent management systems to solve current and future challenges as we incubate the smart cities of tomorrow. However, all these indicators can only be enhanced with strong leadership. Programs flourish under visionary leaders. And this is where our able and honorable chief ministers and the bureaucracy have a very vital role to play. Over the decades, India's development has stood testimony to the rising quality of governance that has paved the way for rapidly evolving systems in each state. The nation has seen a steady uptick in sectors like chemical, energy, healthcare, IT, infrastructure, banking. Today, we see hubs emerging across the country in areas such as AI and automation, digital innovation, education, and travel. It would be advantageous for states to nurture these hubs and build their own USP to encourage entrepreneurs and industries to set up shops in their states. As an incredibly resourceful nation that has proven itself in its past endeavors, I'm certain that our future is very bright. From trade and financial policy reforms to proactive FDI policies, rapid infrastructural development in urban planning, ports, telecommunications, power, and aviation, the nation will continue to rely on the able leadership both at the center and the states. Today, when I look at all our big ticket achievements, I feel proud to be an Indian. As we continue meeting our own needs without compromising the welfare of future generations, the memo remains uncomplicated. Sustainable development is the need of the hour. We must value the happiness of our future generations as much as we do ours. In conclusion, I would like to thank the India Today Group for our partnership in the happiness quest and in establishing such a credible platform for fair judgment and encouraging the nation's growth agenda. Finally, I want to congratulate all the winners tonight for their exemplary and path-breaking work. I hope together as a nation we continue to strive for sustainable happiness. Thank you.